Storytime friends, I'm Miss Sarah and I'm back for another virtual story time. This week is super exciting because this is our first week of summer reading and this is the first year that we've done it virtually, so I hope you are all participating. And if you have not signed up yet, you can still sign up and you have a chance to earn some prizes and of course read some amazing stories. So let's go ahead and get started for our story time today. We're going to start with one of our favorites, our scarf song, Popcorn Kernels. If you do not have a scarf, remember you can use a clean Kleenex, you can use a towel, a washcloth, or if you have a scarf in your closet, go ahead and grab that and you can use it. All right, so here we go. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. All right, let's do that one more time. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. All right, good job, my storytime friends. Now let's get to our story for today. Today we are reading The Forgetful Night by Michelle Robinson and Fred Blunt. The Forgetful Night. Once upon an olden day, a knight in armor rode away. Then again, he had no horse. Did I say rode? He strode, of course. That's right. He strode across the land. So that means he's walking across the land. So you can see him walking. With half a sandwich in his hand? A sword. That's what I meant to say. Because the knight was on his way to what? A party? Movie night? Do either of those sound right to you? I don't think so. Hang on. I know. A daring fight. He had to slay what's its name? A thingy bob? Does that seem right? Not that. Too tame. What's scaly, huge, and breathes out flame? Do you know what the knight had to slay? What's scaly, huge, and breathes out flame? A dragon! That's it. Big and green, but mostly it was just plain mean. It liked to snaffle people's pets. It had a field day at the vet's. Oh, here it is. Here's our dragon. Next, nom nom nom, eating all the pets. And worst of all, this dragon ate Sir Clop-a-Lot, the knight's best mate. Uh-oh. Sir Clop was, handsome? No. Hairy? No. Tall? I'm sorry, I just can't recall. But he was special, that's a fact. And so our knight just had to act. I miss my friend, he cried, and so that nasty dragon has to go. Uh-oh, what do you think's gonna happen? At last he found the dragon's cave and strode right in, for he was brave. Not brave. I mean, he was quite scared. Go in the cave? He never dared. He grabbed his phone and dialed home. He said, "Mommy, help! I'm all alone." No, he was too bold for that. I'm sure he would have fought that, cat? I mean, what was the knight fighting again? Dragon, that's right. He did. He went and fought the beast. Or was it that he bought a feast? I'm hungry. Curly fries for me. And you? Oh, the story. Right. Let's see. You ate my friend, the brave knight said. But hang on, was Sir Cloppy dead? Amazingly, from far away, there came a faint and friendly neigh. So, where do you think Sir Cloplot is? The dragon ate him. And if you said nay, what do you think Sir Cloplot is? The knight's best friend was Clop the horse. I knew that all along, of course. And here are all the adventures that Sir Cloplot and the knight went on. You can see they're best friends. The knight attacked. The dragon coughed. Our hero held his sword, aloft. He wasn't pulling any punches. Out came all the dragon's lunches. So here's the dragon throwing up all of the pets that he ate. That does not sound good. Say sorry, our brave knight demanded. The dragon, feeling reprimanded, which basically means he got yelled at. Sometimes your parents might reprimand you. So the dragon was feeling reprimanded. And he chose to set his pants alight. Uh-oh. He set the knight's pants on fire. And here's the knight trying to put out the flames. That did it. Grr! What an angry knight. Here's our angry knight. He does not look happy. He bashed the dragon in the head. The dragon bashed him back. They're dead. The end. Hang on. The dragon didn't die. He got told off and had a cry and never ate a pet again. Well, just a small one now and then. I think the knight survived as well. It's really very hard to tell, since someone lost his memory. The knight? That's right. The knight was me. That's it for our story today, so let's go ahead and get to our flannel board. So our flannel board story is about 10 dizzy dragons. 10 dizzy dragons lived long, long ago in a land full of magic where few people could go. The first dragon wore a garland of flowers. So here's the garland of flowers. The second dragon had strong magic powers. The third dragon flew wildly through the air. The fourth dragon lived in a jewel-filled lair. Look at all the jewels he's wearing. The fifth dragon rescued people in trouble. The sixth dragon liked to blow pretty bubbles. The seventh dragon wore a crown made of gold. The eighth dragon had a heart brave and bold. The ninth dragon had breath of smoky green fire. The 10th dragon was a terrible, awful liar. 10 dizzy dragons lived long ago in a land full of magic where few people could go. All right, so that's it for our flannel board. So now let's sing some fun songs. So our first song is called I'm a Knight in Armor, and it's to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. I'm a knight in armor, look at me, see how shiny I can be. With my visor up my eyes you'll see, but with it down it protects me. I'm a knight in armor, look at me, see how shiny I can be. With my visor up my eyes you'll see, but with it down it protects me. Alright, and our second song is called Who Will Fight the Dragon? And it's to the tune of London Bridge is Falling Down. Who will fight the fierce dragon? Fierce dragon, fierce dragon. Who will fight the fierce dragon? We need a knight. Quick, he's breathing lots of fire, lots of fire, lots of fire. Quick, he's breathing lots of fire. We need a knight. Don't forget your sword and shield, sword and shield, sword and shield. Don't forget your sword and shield. Get them quickly. Hooray, now the dragon's gone, dragon's gone, dragon's gone. Hooray, now the dragon's gone. What a brave knight. All right, good job, my Storytime friends. That is it for this week's Storytime. Please remember to tune in next week on Morley Library's YouTube page, and also we share our Storytime's Facebook so that we can have more fun together. And don't forget to sign up for summer reading if you have not already. And if you have, continue to read every day so you can earn more chances to win a prize. And don't forget that you can come to the library this week. Remember, you have to wear a mask, and you can check out some books. And also, if you're not comfortable coming to the library, you can always check out books on Hoopla or Overdrive or Libby. And we are still doing our Storytime fun activity packets that you can pick up here at the library. And they have some fun crafts and games and songs that you can do with your family. All right, goodbye for this week, my Storytime friends. I'll see you next week.